shaking the phone. Sorry guys, it's very shaky. Yeah, we actually parked there before. Oh, not there.
Pull in here.
Yeah, we parked there before.
We have.
Yeah, I don't know if it's still. This guy.
This person's just gonna sit around here.
Here's a view of the Seagull. You stop here.
5 minutes later.
He's gone. He knows that there's a food here. Okay, Georgie, come here. Where's the French fries? Hey, Daddy. I want to open this. Ready na, Georgie? Okay, French fries, B. Come here. Ready? Just wait. Hey. La 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 la. You see it? You see it?
They're not sharing.
They give me one, just one.
I don't believe it's Karen.
Oh no, she's mad. I should not get out. I told you to fly away, but you did not. See, I think she can feel it now that I'm holding a French fries right here.
Do you want?
Come over here.
Can I throw one before?
Right here.
Can I throw it?
Yeah.
Mommy, can I throw it?
No, not in the floor. Okay,
I
okay, I'm
throw
gonna
it?
take it out. Ready?
Throw a piece of paper and make them think.
Close the window. Wala na. Wala na guys. Wala na French fries. That's good enough though. Okay, one more bit. Nakaray ko isa. Got one more guys. Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm gonna throw it to that guy. Ready, set, go! Here! One more. That's good enough na. That's good enough.